Demystifying the Audit Manual for Certified Internal Auditor, CIA, Part 2 candidates. Hello, future auditors. If you're on the journey to becoming a certified internal auditor, you've probably heard the whispers, or maybe even loud exclamations, about the Audit Manual. Think of it as your treasure map to the vast kingdom of internal auditing, and Part 2 of the CIA exam is one of the pivotal landmarks on this map. Let's dive into what this manual is all about and why it's a key tool in your arsenal. 1. What's the CIA Part 2? First, a refresher. The CIA exam is divided into 3 parts. Part 1, Essentials of Internal Auditing. Part 2, Practice of Internal Auditing. Part 3, Business Knowledge for Internal Auditing. Part 2, the star of our show, hones in on the actual practice of internal auditing. This means getting down to the nitty-gritty. How audits are conducted, techniques to gather evidence, and managing risks and controls. 2. So, what's this audit manual? Imagine you're a chef. The CIA curriculum is your list of ingredients, while the audit manual is your cookbook. It provides the guidelines, procedures, and best practices that auditors around the world use to ensure their audits are efficient, effective, and ethical. This manual covers everything, from the initial planning stages of an audit, right through to reporting and follow-up. 3. Why is the audit manual vital for Part 2 candidates? Blueprint of Auditing. The manual gives you a comprehensive understanding of how audits are actually conducted in the real world, making your theoretical knowledge practical. Case Studies. By examining real-life scenarios and case studies, you'll gain a nuanced understanding of the challenges auditors face and the solutions they craft. Best Practices. The manual sheds light on the globally recognized best practices in internal auditing. This isn't just about passing the exam, it's about being a top-notch auditor in any situation. Ethical Compass. Auditing isn't just about numbers, it's about integrity. The manual guides you on navigating tricky ethical situations, ensuring that you maintain the highest professional standards. 4. Tips for using the audit manual effectively. Active reading. Don't just skim. Engage with the content, highlight key points, and make notes. Real-world application. Relate the concepts to real-world scenarios. If you've had any auditing experience or internships, try to relate what you read to what you've seen or done. Practice makes perfect. Test your understanding with practice questions, mock exams, and case studies. Discussion. Join study groups or online forums. Discussing complex topics helps in solidifying your understanding. In essence, the audit manual is your trusty companion on the path to becoming a CIA. It provides the practical framework to the theoretical knowledge you've gained. So, gear up, dive deep into this manual, and come out the other side as a well-equipped, future-ready internal auditor.